Alright, well today I decided to see if I can't get the Yardman fired up for this year. Get it out and working. It's a 16 horse, twin, opposed twin, Briggs & Stratton twin cylinder, transaxle, 4-speed rear end. So I just got the battery back into it and everything. And oil should be all set. Changed that last year at some point. So it's pretty clean. Now we'll see if she doesn't fire up. Actually, I should probably turn the gas on first to help. Which is up under here. Right there. Alright, gas is on and everything, so you can try to start it up. Choke's out. Fired right up. Idle's nice. Now I just gotta take it down to the garage and fill the tires back up to pressure. And then we'll take it up the hill and do some work with it. Alright, the tire really didn't need to be filled up. You can kind of see more of it when you get out of the garage. It looked alright, so I'm gonna take it up in the woods to start clearing some more brush on the trail. So we'll ride up. Third. Nice thing about this tractor is it's quiet too. It doesn't really make much noise. Good muffler on it. Still got some fine tuning on the carburetor to do. Well, so far, because we get the ice storm up here in Mass, I've been getting some of the brush cleared out from where the trail was a couple of years ago, and I still got all this to go through. But I figured I could take the Yardman out, give it a workout up here for a bit. So, sure does run nice for sitting all winter. Hasn't been started in about 4 or 5 months now, so. Alright, there you have it. First started up of this year. Well, this is Saturday now. And yesterday I managed to get pretty much the rest of this all cleaned up. Got all these out of the way and everything. And I got all the way down to there cleared. So it's raining out today. It's a big rainstorm coming here to New England, so I can't do too much, but managed to get some done tomorrow, so hopefully during the week I can finish it up.